There's a polar bear. Ooh. What's he doing? Oh, he's playing. Show Aiden. Can he see it? You could sneak him under there, honey. Yeah, it's okay. I've caught myself saying stupid things. Down there, a monkey spit on me and I yelled, so, and I was recording it. Where's he going? Say bye-bye, polar bear. Hey, you. Aiden. Hey, Aiden. Oh, my man. You watching a polar bear. And taking your shoe off. Ready?